Alright, well, before we get started, this is what comes with the fat pack, Dragon Maze, but you get the 2 deck boxes, 9 packs, nice card booklet, white die. Obviously, they're not going to all be white, but whatever color comes with yours is what you get. And you get a pack of Manum. Let's get into this. Haven't seen much on this set, but it's good. The first pack. Got an Etherlink for the rare. A Blood Baron of Viscopa. Nice. I did look at him. He looks pretty solid. Pack number 3. The Scar Striped for the rare. And we got a shiny Down and Dirty. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about them bringing back both the dual cards, but what is right? Pack number 4. Council of the Absolute. Nice. Second mythic in 4 packs. Not too shabby. See if we can keep going. Be nice. Alright. It's funny. Tandress. Elf Shaman. Interesting. It's nice that they're bringing back the guilds. It almost reminds me of Lorwyn with the whole tribal element of it. That was personally my favorite set, but I doubt that I'll ever go back to that. Wizards, if you're listening, please go back to Lorwyn and Morning Tide. They were the best. You got an Advent of the Worm. Worms are fun, I guess. Depends on what you're into. Whatever floats your boat. Possibility Storm. Chairman. Not a big red fan, but hey. Can't do much about it. Alright, 8th pack. Plasma Capture for the rare. What's for the shiny? Simic Bluestone. Whoop-de-doo. Alright, last pack. Please be another mythic or something good. Wouldn't mind another Advent of the Council. Maybe Ralzeric. Who knows? Ajik Blade of the Legion. Oh god. Boros. Yay yay. Alright. Thanks for watching.